The International Day of Yoga 2024 was celebrated today at Raj Bhavan in Imphal. The day is celebrated globally every year on 21st June following its adoption by the United Nations in 2014. Yoga exercises have shown significant benefits for physical and mental well-being, making it important for the UN to promote this wellness practice worldwide. This year's theme, Yoga for Self and Society, highlights yoga's role in fostering individual well-being and social harmony. Governor of Manipur, Anusuya Uike practiced yoga asanas with officers, staff and security personnel at Raj Bhavan this morning. After the yoga session, the governor appealed the people of Manipur to practice yoga daily to maintain a healthy and balanced lifestyle. She emphasized the importance of yoga in daily life as highlighted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The governor stated that the benefits of yoga to our health are significant and everyone should understand its practices for overall well-being. Yoga promotes not only physical health but also good mental health. The governor appealed to the people of the state to make yoga an essential daily exercise and wished all the officers, staff, security personnel and officials from the Ayush department who participated in the yoga session